Every steel product begins its second life as discarded iron scrap. Today's journey starts from ordinary homes filled with unwanted metal. Each kilogram of discarded iron carries valuable recyclable steel. Proper loading prevents damage during transport. Industrial factories generate thousands of tons of recyclable steel every year. Heavy machinery makes handling oversized scrap safe and efficient. Old vehicles provide a rich source of recyclable steel. Every component is collected before recycling begins. Demolition sites recover massive amounts of structural steel. Cutting oversized pieces makes transportation easier. Scrap dealers organize metal before it enters large recycling facilities. Proper sorting improves recycling efficiency. Every shipment is weighed to determine its recycling value. Accurate records ensure fair payment. Large scrapyards combine metal from hundreds of collection points. This creates a steady supply for steel recycling. Powerful electromagnets instantly separate iron from mixed waste. This is one of the fastest steps in modern recycling. The cleaned scrap is now ready for industrial recycling. Next, the steel factory begins transforming waste into new metal. Every truck is weighed before entering the recycling plant. Accurate records help control material flow. Every load is inspected for safety and quality. Only approved scrap enters the recycling process. The recycled steel journey officially begins here. Thousands of kilograms are unloaded within minutes. Removing contaminants protects expensive recycling equipment. Only clean metal moves forward. Automated systems improve sorting speed and accuracy. Different metals are processed separately. Large steel sections must be reduced before shredding. Hydraulic shears deliver enormous cutting force. Precision cutting prepares the steel for high-speed shredding. Every piece must fit safely inside the shredder. The shredder receives carefully prepared steel scrap. Powerful motors drive the recycling process forward. High-speed hammers reduce bulky scrap into small fragments. Uniform pieces improve melting efficiency. Clean steel scrap is essential for producing high-quality new steel. The next stage melts the metal inside an electric arc furnace. The cleaned steel scrap is now ready for melting. Every charge is carefully controlled for maximum efficiency. Tons of recycled steel enter the furnace in a single charge. The melting process begins within seconds. Electric arcs generate temperatures hotter than volcanic lava. Recycled steel rapidly transforms into liquid metal. The recycled scrap has now become molten steel. Precise control ensures a consistent melt. Refining removes unwanted impurities from the molten steel. This step improves the final steel quality. Steel chemistry is adjusted for strength and durability. Every alloy addition is carefully measured. The refined steel leaves the furnace in liquid form. The next step shapes the metal into solid products. The molten steel must remain hot during transfer. Temperature control is critical for casting. Continuous casting transforms liquid steel into solid billets. This process runs without stopping. Freshly cast billets are reheated for smooth rolling. Uniform temperature ensures consistent steel quality. The reheating furnace prepares the billet for shaping. Precise heat prevents cracks during rolling. Massive rollers reshape the billet in seconds. The steel becomes longer with every pass. Each rolling stand improves the steel profile. Automation keeps the product perfectly aligned. Final rollers create the steel's finished shape. Surface ribs improve concrete bonding. The cooling bed reduces the steel temperature gradually. Controlled cooling protects the internal structure. Uniform cooling improves strength and durability. The bars are now ready for precision cutting. Flying saws cut steel without slowing production. Every bar meets exact length specifications.
Every steel bar undergoes strict quality testing. Only approved products move to packaging.
Finished steel is transported with extreme care. Every bundle remains fully traceable.
Organized storage speeds up customer deliveries. Digital tracking prevents inventory mistakes. Every shipment is prepared according to customer specifications. Accurate order picking saves valuable time. Proper loading protects the steel during transport. Every shipment follows strict safety procedures.
Heavy cranes handle steel weighing several tons. Precision loading prevents shifting on the road. Secure loads are essential for safe transportation. Final checks reduce risks on the highway.
Every shipment passes a final quality inspection. Documentation guarantees complete traceability.
The recycled steel now begins a new journey. It is ready to support major construction projects.
Recycled steel returns to the construction industry. Old scrap becomes the backbone of new buildings. Inside a massive scrap metal recycling factory, old iron becomes new steel. Transformation complete.
The recycled steel is now ready to strengthen a new structure. Old scrap begins a completely new life. Recycled steel provides the strength hidden inside concrete. It will support the structure for decades.
Recycled steel forms the hidden skeleton of modern buildings. It combines strength, durability, and sustainability. What was once discarded iron now supports a modern city. This is the power of steel recycling. Recycling steel saves raw materials and reduces waste. It also lowers energy consumption and emissions.
Steel can be recycled again and again without losing strength. The recycling cycle never truly ends.
From discarded scrap to premium construction steel, every stage plays a vital role in the transformation.
Recycled steel meets the same high standards as newly produced steel. It is ready for industries around the world.
Yesterday's waste has become tomorrow's infrastructure. Recycling gives steel an endless future.
Every recycled steel bar tells the story of transformation. Old iron never truly reaches the end of its life. It simply begins again.